Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about these are the notes of life process chapter of class 10 biology. तो इसमें जो जो टॉपिक रहेंगे दैट आई विल टेल यू. इसके जो नोट्स हैं हैंड रिटन नोट्स हैं, आप यहाँ से देख सकते हो. दीज आर हेयर. यू कैन टेक द स्क्रीनशॉट ऑफ दिस वीडियो ऑल्सो. Photosynthesis in plant. Stomata, what is stomata? Function of stomata. Digestive system. Mouth, what is the structure and what are the glands are there in the mouth. Then stomach, internal structure. And then after that you can see the next topic is nutrition in amoeba. Here is the esophagus, nutrition of amoeba, it's explained. And respiratory system, what is respiratory system and which reaction is working there. Then cytoplasm, how glucose is converted into pyruvate. And there are two processes, aerobic and anaerobic. Okay, and how many molecules of ATP will be formed in mitochondrion, and then two molecules of ATP in ethanol and lactic acid, which is then also used in fermentation. Then what is the full form of that ADP? ADP is adenosine diphosphate and ATP is adenosine triphosphate. Then when the cell need energy, when the cell need energy, when ATP is converted into, means when it will lose its energy. ATP is the form adenosine triphosphate, and it required what? ATP can be broken down into the release energy. Okay, and you have to learn about the how much energy is used there. It's 30.5 kilojoule per mole. Okay, it's released in this during this reaction. Types of respirations, there are two types, aerobic and anaerobic. In the presence of oxygen or in the absence of oxygen or in lack of oxygen, which type of reactions can occur? These I explained here. Aerobic respiration, what is that? And in this, glucose during the glycolysis it converted into pyruvate, and then after that Krebs cycle, which is oxygen cycle, in mitochondria it converted into carbon dioxide, water and energy. Then aerobic respiration, that you can see from here. Then anaerobic, okay, it's also explained in the short form in the flow chart. Respiration in plants, how which type of respiration occur, and net gases exchange in the leaves of the plant. Then respiration in animals, okay, which type of and how the respiration occurs in aquatic animals and terrestrial organisms also. Then after that respiration in human being also, it's explained here. Which type of alveoli, what is alveoli, what is trachea, which pathway is used for the passage of that oxygen. Then after that you can see here the gas exchange between alveoli and capillaries, so you can see from here. And then mechanism of breathing, explained here. What is inspiration and expiration, inhalation and exhalation of gases, it's already explained there. This is a structure of that lungs. Okay, then after that means how the respiration process occurs, it's explained there. Circulatory system, what is circulatory system? In which transportation of blood from one cell to the another. Okay, and there are three types of parts of blood: plasma, platelets, and white blood cells and red blood cells. White blood cells, these are very very important in our body. Those are fighting against the disease of which enters in our body. Then after that RBC and platelets, both also very important. And then WBC, there are some parts of WBC: monocyte and eosinophil, basophil, lymphocyte and neutrophil. Okay, then just learn the name of these. Then after that capillary, what is the shape of capillary, how the reaction occurs in between. Then after that, what are arteries, what is the function of artery and vein, and how the blood, which type of artery carry which type of blood oxygenated blood or deoxygenated blood, which artery can carry, and what is the function of vein, that you can see from here. Then after that this is a structure of heart. Then what is the function of heart? Okay, then this double circulation system, in which you can see there are two structures. Okay, but you have to learn this flow chart of the blood circulation in human heart. Then what is lymph, and how the lymph is formed, and what is lymph capillary tissue cells, and whatever, all the things are included there. Okay, lymphatic system, it's very important. What is lymphatic system? Function of lymphatic system, transportation in plants, this is another topic. Then what is xylem, what is phloem, what is the function of xylem, and what is the function of phloem? Xylem, what is xylem? Xylem is that is responsible for the transportation of water and minerals in between the plants. And phloem, what is the function of phloem? It transport the food from higher concentration to the lower concentration. Next then there are some more points related to the topic. What is capillary action? Adhesion, cohesion, transpiration, pull, and transportation of food, all things are there. And this part is very important, xylem and phloem. The difference between it is already given. What is next one is excretory system. What is excretion? It's also very important, and this topic is very the important. Okay, so you have to revise this diagram. You have to label the diagram properly, and then you will get the answer properly. Then what is excretion? It's explained here. What is Bowman's capsule? What is urethra? What is nephron? That you have to learn. Okay, next one is artificial kidney. Okay, so what is artificial kidney? Then what is excretion in plant? All are included here. For its PDF, you can consult me, means you can send me the message in the chat box in the comment section, then I will provide its PDF also. Okay everyone.